So today we are putting this lovely fresh basil to good use by pairing it up with one of my favourite seafoods, and that's scallops. Okay, to make your pesto, pop in a handful of pine nuts, a handful of Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper, 1 small garlic clove and your basil. Now I'm just going to blend this up, scrape the sides down and then add in a little bit of olive oil. Now here's my lovely fresh scallops. All you need to do is give them a rinse and get rid of any sand or grit that's hiding in the shell, and pop a teaspoon of fresh pesto into each shell. When your scallops are clean and patted dry, then just pop one back into each shell on top of the pesto. Now I'm going to give each scallop a little squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of breadcrumbs. That's it. Now I'm going to pop them into the oven. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll catch you guys next week.